Hello Sunshine and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kimberly from Sunshine Candy Table, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to bring you guys along. We have a candy table tomorrow and we're doing a whole new different candy table setup. I have upgraded a lot in my material, my equipment, my setups. So I'm gonna bring you guys along the whole journey. Today is Friday. Tomorrow we have a baby shower, and the baby shower that we're doing tomorrow is actually for my best friend Ophelia. As you guys know, she's going to be a grandma. So today I am going to go do a delivery at her house. And you guys, once again, it is raining. It has been raining since last night, and we knew it was gonna rain today, Friday. It's not gonna rain tomorrow, Saturday, but it's not, the rain is not helping right now. Let's get the show on the road. Let's go. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys, this is my van. I have the baby table in here, the candy cart, and I also did bring along some gifts for Ophelia for the games, and her gift right here in the bottom. Okay, you guys, so I brought Ophelia a little gift because she's going to be a grandma. So Ophelia, sorry, to grandma, a Christmas box.
Oh, thank you, Kim.
You're welcome. But
Can I open it now?
Yeah, you can open it.
I'm nervous. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna wear it tomorrow. I'll hold it for you.
I can't see.
And this cute little
What?
a little long sleeve shirt. Oh, this is super cute.
Oh.
Be on a grandma. Let me see. Oh, being a grandma doesn't make me old. It makes me blessed. Oh, that's super cute.
Stop. Stop.
So you guys, if you haven't heard already, and you probably do because you follow a lot of social media, you know that the 99-cent store is closing. I am here with David, and oh my god, you guys, the store is already half empty. I don't even live near this 99-cent store. I just happened to come by very quickly with my son. But let me show you guys what I got. I did stock up on my eyelashes, and I did find some charger plates right now. I'm just walking around to see if there's anything that I like. I really don't need it, but since the store is going out of business, they're closing, I'm just like, let's see what they have left. So when I got home, MS.K helped me spray paint my stands. These stands are the ones that are going to be holding the elephants that I made out of cardboard and photo paper. I learned how to make these off TikTok, you guys. It's super easy and budget friendly. Hello Sunshine, so it is officially the very next day. Today is Saturday. Today we are having the baby shower at Ophelia's house. And we are ready, the van is ready. I'm just waiting on MS.K. This is our third trip. We made 2 trips yesterday and today is our third one. The only things that I have in my van today are just the small things. All the big heavy things, I took them yesterday. Today is a very beautiful sunny day. Thank God it is not cloudy, it's not sprinkling, it's not raining, the sun is out, it's nice and fresh outside, it's not hot, and that's why I have my little hat on and my sunglasses because it's beautiful weather today. Really quick, you guys, I want to show you the van today. We have 2 wagons. Okay, I'm going to be doing a voiceover, you guys, because your girl is not trying to get no copyright. So I want to go ahead and show you guys right now the setup, the baby table for the presents, the candy cart for the cake. I did bring our famous peacock chair for Janine to sit down and open her gifts. Right now, me and MS.K are trying to assemble an arch in the background, but you guys look at this. I custom ordered this from Pretty Little Details, you guys. Make sure you guys go and follow them on Instagram. Good morning, sunshine. So today is the day after the baby shower. Today is Sunday morning. It is 8 o'clock and we are here to pick up our stuff. I am here with my husband. He came in another vehicle so we can make 2 trips in one. So Ophelia is not up yet. I know it's super early. She probably went to bed late, but everything came out great, you guys. I didn't film a lot because I did want to spend time with my friends and my family, so I did not record as much, but I know everyone had a good time. Everyone loved the setup. They took lots of pictures and I will be uploading them here as well. But you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.